So this little video is all about cooking the perfect steak. And here I have two beautiful steaks. This one is a sirloin and this one is ribeye. So the ribeye has a lovely little marbling through it, and the sirloin is a very lean cut of meat. They've both got great flavour, but do remember you can always eat rump steak cooked exactly in the same way. Both are Northern Ireland farm quality assured. And always remember, when you're out shopping in your local butchers or retailers, look for the logo, and that way you will be assured that this is of the highest quality and has met all the standards. So what we need to do is season the meat very lightly and rub some olive oil into it. So have some little bit of salt, just black pepper. There's a few rules that I have whenever I'm cooking steak, and one of them is to allow the meat to come up to room temperature before you cook it. So you need to remove it from the fridge for about 45 minutes and just let it sit. And that way the meat will cook really evenly right through. So massage the oil and the salt and pepper into the steaks. Second rule is the pan has to be smoking hot. And that way the meat will seal whenever it hits the pan. So I'm going to cook these together at the same time. They're both about 10 ounces in weight, so they should take about the same cooking time. The sirloin goes in, and then the ribeye. I'm going to give these 1 minute on either side just to seal, and then I'm going to transfer them to the tray and put them into a hot oven. The oven is at about 200 degrees, and it will take about 4 or 5 minutes to cook them. Just allow them to sit for a minute, and then turn them over. You can see already they've started to take on so much colour within the pan. With the sirloin, turn it on its side and allow the rind to become crispy. It will render very slightly, but also the flavour that will come out of that into the pan is just delicious. Okay. Just quick turn over. And then I'm going to transfer the steaks to my oven tray. And then we'll just put them straight into the hot oven. So the steaks are now out of the oven. I've covered them with tin foil. I'm going to allow them to rest for about 4 minutes. While the steaks have been resting, I'd made a lovely rocket and tomato salad, and very simple. That's all these steaks are going to need. So it's time to serve the steaks. So I'm just going to take them off the tray onto a chopping board. Cut into the sirloin first. There we go. You can see that lovely pink through the centre of the meat. And now the ribeye. So there you are. So there are my steaks, sirloin and ribeye. And remember those 4 golden rules and you will have perfect steaks each and every time. And remember to come back and check out the website for even more delicious and tasty beef and lamb recipes.